Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will solve the question based on the bitwise operator. So we have three operator, bitwise and, bitwise exclusive or, and bitwise or. How to solve the question based on the bitwise and? Here the symbol will be ampersand. First 3 ampersand 4. How to solve it? First we have to write the binary number of 3, that is 0 1 1, binary number of 4, that is 1 0 0, and then we have to do the AND, perform the AND operation on the individual bit. 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 again 0, 0 and 1 0. So already we have solved the AND truth table in the Boolean algebra. Now second question is 7 ampersand 9. So what will be the binary form of 7? 0 1 1. Binary form of 9? 1 0 0 1. So we will perform AND, 1 and 1 1, 1 and 0 0, 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 again 0. So output will be 1. Now third question, again we will solve using the AND. First we will see the AND truth table also, if anyone is having the doubt. So here I will tell, if both inputs are 0, you will get the output as 0. If one of the input is also 0, then also you will get the output as 0. For getting the output as 1, we have both input as 1, then you will be able to get the output as 1. So again third question we will be solving 4 ampersand 9. 4 will be 0 1 0 0. 9 will be 1 0 0 1. Again you perform the AND, 0 and 1 0, 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0 1. So next we will see how to use the bitwise exclusive OR. Here 4 and 9 gives output as 0. I hope this bitwise AND is clear to you. Now we will see the practical part also. Same questions we will use using IDLE. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. It will give 0. Next is 7 and 9. So 7 we can write as 0 1 1. Already we have seen that it in binary number we can write 0 1 1 and then 1 0 0 1. Then we will use the AND, so you will get the same output as 1. Next 4 and 9, it will give 0. So same explanation we have seen using the IDLE. Now the bitwise exclusive OR. Exclusive OR, first we will see the truth table of bitwise exclusive OR. Whenever the different inputs are there, the output will be 1. If the same input is there, output will be 0. So in case of 0 0, different same input, output will be 0. 1 1, same input, output will be 0. Different inputs, output will be 1. So we will solve some question based on this XOR. Let us write the first question. Here 4 exclusive OR 9. So 4 will be 0 1 0 0. 9 will be 1 0 0 1 in binary. So 0 and 1, last two bits you check, top and bottom 0 and 1. Different input, output 1. Same input, output 0. Different input, output 1. Same input, output 1. Different input, output 1. So you will get 1 1 0 1. And then you can check, this is the binary number of 13. So second question will be 7 XOR 3. So 0 1 1 for 3, 7 is for 0 1 1 for 7, and for 3 0 1 0 0 1 1. Here 1 1 same input 0, 1 1 same input 0, 1 0 different input 1. So you will get the output as 4. But this is 7 exclusive OR 3, not AND. So 4 is the output. Now third question, 5 exclusive OR 2. So 5 will be 0 1 0 1 and 2 will be 0 1 0 0 1 0 in binary. So 1 0 different input, output 1, different input, output 1, different input, output 1, then same input 0. So 0 1 1 output is 7. I hope these three questions are clear to you. So same inputs we will give in the ideally, and we can check the output. 4 exclusive or 9, we got 13. 7 exclusive or 3, we got 4. 5 exclusive or 2, we got 7. So now the third part, that is your bitwise OR. In case of bitwise OR, whenever one of the input is 1, the output will be 1. So let us draw the truth table of the bitwise OR. First we will draw the truth table of OR. Two inputs we will take, or first this question we are solving. Suppose 3 or 2, 0 0 1 1 for 3, 2 is 0 0 1 0, binary number. So 1 0, whenever the any of the input is 1, the output will be 1. So 1 0, one input is 1, so output is 1. 1 1, again both inputs are 1, so output is 1. So you will get 0 0 1 1. Here that is the truth table. Whenever the one of the input is 1, output will be 1. So next question is 5 or 8. 5 0 1 0 1, 8 1 0 0 0. Then 1 0, do the OR, it will give 1. 0 0, do the OR, it will give 0. 1 0, it will give 1. 0 1, it will give 1. So output will be 13. So let us solve these two questions through ideally. 3 or 2 will give you 3. 5 or 8, 5 or 8, it will give you 13. So I hope these programs are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.